Good evening everyone. Today we are going to do the daily Leetcode challenge of 18 February 2023. That is question number 226. Invert binary tree. We are given the root of a binary tree and we have to invert and return its root. Inversion means that we will form a mirror image of the tree. So let's move on to the example. In the first example, if you form a mirror image, 2 mirror will be 2, but 3 will shift to left side and 1 will shift to right side. That is what inversion is about. You only have to return the root node after inversion. So the best way to do it by using swap. You can just swap left and right nodes and you can do it. Let's see another example. In this example as well, root node remains same. Right one goes to left and left one goes to right. So that is all you have to do. So you have to apply a swap function. So what will happen when you go to this root node? Nothing is happening. But when you swap these two, the bottom elements also get swapped. That is, if you have 4, if you swap, 7 will come here, 2 will come here, and below it, if 7 had 6 and 9, it will remain 6 and 9, and below 2 it is 1 and 3. Then at the next swap, these are getting swapped and it is turning to 9 and 6 and 3 and 1. So you only have to apply a swap code and you can easily do it. But there's also another method by which you can easily do it. You can simply create a new node and you can just pass the left elements to its right and right elements to the new node left. That is what you can do. So you will understand it better in code. It is a very easy question. You just need to know about swap. In swap, what we generally do, we initialize temp with A becomes B, and B becomes temp. That is all you have to do in a swap function. If you have to swap two numbers or integers or anything, if you have to swap two values, you just make a temp variable and swap the values. So let's move on to the code and let's understand it better. We will see both the codes. So let's write the first code. First one we will do by a swapping method. So for swapping method, what we need to do, we need to form a base condition as well in three cases. That is, if root is equal to null, we return root or we return null. Whatever you want you can return, but root value is null, so it doesn't make any difference. Now you have to call the function recursively so you can get to the leftmost and rightmost element. That is when you call invert, let's write it, invert tree root left. So you are moving all the way to the left and you are moving all the way to exist. This will return null and this will return null and these will get swapped, and then we will come here, then we go to its right, this will return null, this will return null, these both get swapped, and when we come here, now these 3 and 1 will get swapped. So that is how it is happening. So we do it recursively. So we are going to all the way to the left and we are going all the way to the right, and when you have reached bottom, the recursion will end for a moment, for a one call, for the last call, and after that you have to swap. So for swapping, what you will do, you will write tree node star, we will make a temporary variable which will be equal to root left, then root left is updated to root right. This is the swapping method. Let me just write it is swapping. And after this, what will happen when this root right will be equal to temp, and when you are done with this you can return the root. So this is by swapping method. You can swap it, swap the values and you can run it. Let's just submit. So yeah, it is accepted and working. Let's see another method. In this second method, what we can do, we need to, the base condition will remain same irrespective of what method we use. Now we just need to, instead of doing this swapping, we will make a new node. Let's name it new node is equal to new tree node root value. That is, we are initializing the root value and we are making a new node, and inside that new node, what we will do, new node right will become equal to new node left, previous left, and new node let's and new node left is equal to new node previous right. What I mean is, we are creating a new node and we are passing all the right elements to its left and we are passing all the left elements to its right, and we will return new node. As simple as that. So the time complexity and space complexity in both the cases, you guys should comment it down and tell the difference, and you guys tell which one is better. whether this method is better or that method is better. So yeah, both are accepted. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you have any doubt, please comment down. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.